to another Tequila Tuesday with Doug and Annette Marble. Today we are going to do shots of 1800 tequila. I would say that we were going to taste 1800, but we have tried this one before, but we have not yet rated it on our channel.
So the 1800 is a 220-year-old recipe, hence 1800, and it is the most awarded tequila family ever. And the bottle will run you about $30 to $40.
Oh, that's not bad. Did you know they actually have coconut-infused flavored ones? I know. It'd be almost like that jalapeno one that we had before, and I really don't want to try it. I'm not a fan of coconut, but Doug is, so.
Not coconut tequila.
I know, but we might have to just give it a try. So, are you ready to do some shots?
Let's do it.
Let's do it, and we will let you know what we think. Hey, I wanted to do a shout out for our shot glasses. Isn't this pretty? It's some pink inside. These are from Vegas. How many times have we been to Vegas? I don't know. It's one of our favorite places. But this is a Vegas one, and this one is especially for Doug. It says, don't make bad choices. So it say, don't make bad choices or make bad choices. All right, we're gonna try some 1800 here. Oh, there's no cork. All right.
It's cheap.
All right, give you a little bit. Give me a little bit here. So, all right, here's the 1800. 1800.
I mean, mid-level tequila.
Yeah.
Guess it's better than Jd Cuervo,
but it's close. Yeah.
It's a lot of alcohol taste, not too much tequila taste to it.
Yeah, I mean it's good for
It's got the rubbing alcohol taste to it.
Yeah, and it's got a burn, and I'm not a big fan of the burn. I like that smooth going down feeling. But all right, what would you give this from 1 to 10?
4.
Oh, I'm at a 3.
I'm being generous.
Yeah, I'm at a 3. So it's not like we couldn't put it in a margarita or something, though.
Yeah,
we won't let it go to waste. Trust me, we will not let it go to waste.
Definitely a good mixer of tequila.
Yeah, or the holidays are coming up. We can pawn it off on somebody there. So
we could just fill up our one bottle that we got that's $120 with that. No one would know the difference.
There we go. True. So, anyways, there you have it. 1800. Not a fan. But if you are in the market for buying or selling a home, don't forget, I am your favorite key realty agent in and around Columbus, Ohio. So give us a call, shoot us a text, and don't forget, we are in and around Columbus, Ohio, and we're keeping it real here in real estate with Annette Marble and Associates.
See you next Tuesday.
Next Tuesday.